again, this is Worm Ceramics, and I have this short video for you today about reclaiming clay. It's one of the less glamorous parts of the pottery process, but it's also really important and really cool so that we can, use all of our clay and not have to waste anything. So if I have some scraps from hand building or excess clay from trimming on the wheel or even throwing, all of that goes into the reclaim bucket. Then I'm using my leftover water from throwing and going to, mash all of that together to basically make my clay mixture for reclaiming. So so you really want to, it's very therapeutic, mashing it up like that with your hands. But the goal is, again, to get a pretty even consistency, not super wet, because then it's going to take longer to dry. But once we're happy with it, we're going to go on over to our plaster forms. I have a couple of them in my studio, and it's really great because you just load them up with our reclaim clay, and we try to get the clay spread out as evenly as possible to ensure that the drying is even. That usually then sits overnight, and the little one in the video, that one was ready, so that it took on the form of the plaster form. The other ones had to stay out to dry a bit longer, but so then once it's dried out overnight, it's really great. If I'm ready to throw again, just gotta wedge the clay, get out all those air bubbles and pockets, and that's just a super great way not to waste any of the excess clay that we have, and a really, really important necessary part of the pottery process. So thanks again for watching. Hope this was helpful. See you next time.